and today's video is all about my kitchen tour. So this is the most requested video, so yeah, here I am with it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Towards this left hand side, I have this breakfast counter. On this I have just kept a few water bottles and that basket. So I have made few changes on the countertop. Anyway, not major changes, but yeah, I have made a few changes here. And I have just kept my Nutri blender and kettle. That's it. I didn't keep anything else over here. So if at all you are interested, so you can just check that countertop organization video. So next to this breakfast counter, I have this small drawer over here. So in this I have kept my some veggie bags and kitchen towels, and this is a charger for my water dispenser. We use this water can, so for that to charge I just kept this cable over here. And that's it. This is just, I broke my bottle, so I just kept it there. So yeah, this is it. So just below this drawer I have this onion basket in which I just keep onions and all. And in the next drawer I have the potatoes and some garlic. First I'll just cover the down cabinets, and then I will do the above cabinets. So next to this veggies baskets I have this tandem drawer. Here nothing fancy. I have some vessels and these bowls and all. So this is what I keep over here. And just below this I have this snack rack. Here I keep all the snacks, like these, all these popcorns and some soup packets, chocolates. And in this I have just kept like Dark Fantasy and Choco Pie, you can see. These are just some Sip Chips packets, Maggi, Bhujia, and all the snack stuff over here. So I have placed a basket, and in that basket I've just put all the small biscuit packets and all the other things. So yeah, these are soft close tandem drawers actually, so you can just just push it off, it will just go off like that. Yeah. So next to these tandem drawers I have arranged. Here I have kept all my pantry things and some extra groceries. I'm not going in detail because I have plans to make a dedicated video on my pantry and spice organization. So yeah, here where I keep all my pantry things. So next to this pantry thing I have this corner cabinet. This is just, it's a big one actually. So here also I have some millets. And in that, I don't know whether you can see it or not, in that box I have kept my Diwali decor items. And to the corner I have that a rice cooker, so which is not working, so I just kept it over there. And here my cat's food and my rabbit's food. So yeah, this is all about this cabinet and the pipeline gas one. So yeah. So next to that corner cabinet I have this bottle pull out, which I didn't keep any water bottles, but yeah, only one at the end. So yeah, this is an extra virgin coconut oil and nothing, just a small, I've just kept some baskets so that I can just put all miscellaneous things over there, and some shaker, my sipper, and just a random thing over there. That's it, nothing else here. So next to this I have a cutlery thing. So yeah, nothing fancy actually. So you can see in this I have just kept my cooker vessel, and yeah, so this is it. Here I have kept all my knives, peelers, mashers, everything. So yeah, nothing much over here. So yeah, this is it. And this is in the first drawer. Under this I have another one in which I just keep all these plates and some trays and steel plates and some bowls and my favorite chopper. Yeah, that's it, nothing much. So, and on the down cabinet I have just a tray and chopper, chopping board and some plates, that's it. So I just kept some plates over here. Sorry. So next to this I have, so same like that corner, but here I have this partition. So here I just kept my tawas and frying pans, etc., and some casseroles and kadai, handi, and yeah. And down I have kept my mixer grinder, and I have two mixer grinders down, so some mixie jars and all, nothing. And this is the biggest another vessel, which I use it like when there are like so many people at home. So yeah, that's it, nothing much. All the other stuff, these are actually soft close doors, so it's good. So next to this is under the sink. So in this, nothing, I just have random stuff which we use, like April, Lysol, some phenyl and HIT. So all these things I've just kept it in one basket. And this is actually my this granite cleaner, so that I've just kept it over here only. So yeah, some Colin, etc. So when this side I just kept my cat's litter thing over here, those two bags. Yeah, especially I just don't like to keep so many things under this. So yeah, basic things which we use on a regular basis. So these are the extra things. The one which we're already using, so will be outside. The Lysol, phenyl, it will be in the utility. So these are the new ones, so I just kept it over here. And some garbage bags. And these are this good night. We'll have a lot of mosquitoes. If I don't close the balcony doors at 6 o'clock, the mosquitoes will attack. So, so those things. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else here. So I'm done with the down cabinets. So I have covered all the cabinets. In those above cabinets, actually nothing is there. Means nothing useful. Here we have, I have kept my old oven and few tiles actually. So which are left, so those tiles are there, and yeah, nothing much, all the miscellaneous stuff on those cabinets. So here I have my oven. So yeah, next to this I just have some aluminum foil and some notebook. In that I just kept some stickers also, so yeah, which I use it. I'll just show you. So this stickers, so which I just kept it over here. So the pencil also I just kept it here only, so that I can write it off immediately. I don't have to search for it. And this is actually when I got this Nutri Blender, so with that I got that book free. So yeah, that's it. And an aluminum foil and a sharpener to sharp this pencil. So I just kept everything here only. So yeah, and about this I can't even reach, but see, I'll just put my camera over there. Hope you can see. Yeah, so this is like, you can see all my party supplies things, like yeah, some cling wrap, another aluminum foil, and some all spoons, plastic spoons, etc. Plastic spoons and all, I have it in this box also. So yeah, so this is it. And just behind this box I have that ice cream makers or whatever. So yeah, that's that one. So these are like few paper plates and all these boxes. Basically it's like party supplies things. Yeah, I have arranged all these things over there so that anyway I don't use them regularly. So these are like once in a while I use these, so I just kept it over there. So yeah, Hope I'm giving a good view. My height is not so much that I can give you that view nicely. Yeah. So that is it on the top cabinet. So next to oven, I have this my crockery thing. You'll see a lot of crockeries. I just love crockeries. I just keep collecting. I don't know from how long I'm collecting all these, but yeah, I still have more. I'll show you. Yeah. So this is it. I've just kept my, you know, glasses, everything here. Sanjeev Kapoor. This is just, yeah. So yeah, about this, we have more crockery things, some bowls and all. And that one I didn't even open. Yeah. So all these things, which I rarely use. I don't use them regularly. So that's why I've kept it over there, which I don't use it regularly. These, yeah, we use it on a regular basis. Like when there are any guests at home, yeah. So that time we'll use these. This is the glasses section. So next to that, I have another cabinet. Here I have 3 partitions. In that I just have only 2, but here I have 3. So here these are like a regular use things like cups and all, and some popcorn, you know, bowls, and another crockery set. And about that, I just have few containers and some bowls and all. That's it. I just love collecting this crockeries. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with all these, you know, crockery stuff. So next to this, I have this one. So yeah, here I just kept all my, you know, everyday essentials for kitchen. Again, I'm not going in detail because I'm planning to do a detailed video on spice and you know, pantry organization. So yeah, this is how it is. And here it's just a ghee, Amul ghee. So I can give you a sneak peek. And about this, again crockery. Yeah, all the extra crockeries which I don't use, I've kept it over there. Means right now I'm not using, but yeah, I just love crockeries, as I told. So all the crockery related things over there. And those 2 are, you know, I don't know what do you call those, you know, to store the pickles, these things. I have 4 of those. And few bowls. The whole you know, partition is only the crockery items. This because I don't use it regularly, so that's why I've kept it. So that's it. And next to this, my chimney. And next to chimney, I have another one. So here also I have kept my, you know, everyday essentials. So just about this. Okay, I'm struggling to open that. Yeah. So I have all the plastic dabbas. So you can see this entire, you know, cabinet is filled with these plastic boxes. And dabbas like different sizes. So yeah, that's it. So the entire cabinet is all are like boxes only, nothing else on. So next to this I have another cabinet. This is the small one actually. So here I just have some, you know, steel glasses, steel bowls and all, and nothing on top of that. Yeah, here. And these are some, you know, few cups and all. This actually like my house help, and if anyone comes or any worker comes, so I just use these cups. So yeah, that's it. And next to this, so now you can see, hi, this boy is drinking water. Cholo, I'm sorry, drink. So yeah, here, so next to this here, in this I have all my, you know, kadais, cooker, and that box actually that container, sorry, that container I just used to store my dosa batter and all, and that idli maker, and one big cooker, and 2 kadais, my another cooker, and 2 more kadais. That's it. These are the vessels I have. So we are a very small family, like me, my husband and my son, that's it. So we don't need much vessels and all. So yeah. That we are done with my kitchen tour. I'm not sure whether I gave you a proper tour feel, but yeah, please don't mind. Any feedback or any suggestions are always welcome. Yeah. So yeah, this wire is just just to keep the strip light, so don't wonder. So this wire is for that. So we'll still have to fix that light which comes from like here to till here, and from here to here. That's it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for my kitchen tour. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.